Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can install Node-RED in Banana Pi M40. Okay, so here you can see we have Banana Pi M40 single board computer from Banana Pi. Now we want to install the Node-RED in the Banana Pi M40 so we can use it as our IoT gateway or IoT hub. Okay, so let's see how you can install the Node-RED in the Banana Pi M40. So first of all, I have flashed the Ubuntu operating system inside the Banana Pi M40 and I have connected the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth antenna. Okay, and the IP address of the Banana Pi M40 is 192.168.1.11. So first of all, we will log into the terminal of the Banana Pi M40. So we will use SSH, username root 168.1.11. Okay, the password is tour and we are inside the terminal of Banana Pi M40. Let me clear the screen. Now we will first check the date of Banana Pi M40. Okay, so here you can see it is having date of September 28, okay, 2024. But today is 3rd December 2024, so the date is not matching with the universal time zone. Okay, so that's why you cannot install any package in the Banana Pi M40. So first of all, you have to correct this date. Okay, so even if you try to install this, okay, so if you try to install the Node-RED using this command, then also you will get the error. Here you can see, sorry, cannot connect to internet. Okay, but we are already connected. So even if I ping Google, here you can see we are getting the ping. Okay, so we are connected with the internet, but due to this date issue, we are not able to install Node-RED in our Banana Pi M40. So what we can do is I have provided some set of command which we can use to correct the date issue. And then after we can use this command to install the Node-RED. So we will first run this command. Okay, so let me clear my screen. We'll run this command. Okay, then after we'll run the second command. Then third one. Okay, now we will run the fourth command. And now we will check the date. So here you can see Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. So we have successfully solved the issue of the date. Okay, and now we can use this command or set off this command to install the Node-RED in the Banana Pi M40. So I'll go with the single command. So we'll copy this command and then we will paste that into the terminal and then we will hit enter. So it will ask for that, are you sure you want to install? So yes. And do you really want to do this? Yes. Would you like to install Pi specific node? Yes. Okay, so here you can see it will go with the step-by-step installation. Okay, and once everything is done, it will ask few questions like where you want to keep the settings.js file, you need encryption or not, you need user security or not. So you have to answer those questions. Okay, and then after you can access your Node-RED over the IP address. So we have successfully installed Node-RED in the Banana Pi M40. Now you have to answer that where you want to keep your settings.js file. So I'm going to leave this location as it is. And then after, do you want to set up user security? No. Do you want to enable the projects feature? No. Enter a name for your flow files. So flows.json, that is fine. And we'll hit enter for this option. We'll select the default and again we will select the default Node-RED editor and allow function node to load external module. Yes. Okay, so we have successfully installed Node-RED in our Banana Pi M40. Now your Banana Pi M40 is the IoT hub which you can use in the industry, which you can use for your home automation and many more projects. Okay, Now we will access the Node-RED running from this Banana Pi M40. So we know the IP address of Banana Pi M40, okay, which is 192.168.1.11. So I can run the Node-RED. Okay, here you can see server is now running at 127.0.0.1 colon 1880. So instead of using the localhost IP address, we can also use the IP address of our Banana Pi colon 1880 port number. Okay, so I'm going to open the new private window here, and then we will type the IP address 192.168.1.11 and then 1880. Okay, here you can see welcome to Node-RED 4.0. Now you can read the entire details. Okay, and here is our Node-RED flow editor. Now let me grab one Node-RED flow to monitor the system performance of the Banana Pi M40. Okay, I have created this flow for the Raspberry Pi, but we can also use for the Banana Pi as well. So we'll press done here, and then we will install the dashboard node. So we'll go to the install section and we will search for the dashboard, and here we will install the Node-RED dashboard nodes. Okay, we have successfully installed the Node-RED dashboard node. Now we will just clear the errors. Okay, now we can press on deploy button and we can click on confirm deploy. Now you can click on this drop down arrow and you can go to the dashboard, and from here you can launch the dashboard, and here you can see we have launched the dashboard from our Banana Pi M40. Okay, so we have modified this storage and memory according to our Banana Pi M40. Now here you can see the correct details, okay, with the correct donut chart. And here is the CPU usage, here is the CPU load percentage, and here is your OS level function if you want to reboot your Banana Pi M40, if you want to clear the cache memory, or if you want to shut down. And here is the IP address of your Banana Pi M40. Okay, now you can use so many Node-RED nodes to collect the data from your different devices like Modbus device, OPC device, MQTT, or BACnet device. Okay, and you can use in your industry as well as for home automation. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear that how you can install Node-RED in your Banana Pi M40. And I will also provide this link in the description, okay, or I will create this kind of flow for Banana Pi M40, so you can directly copy paste that flow and you can put in the Node-RED to monitor your Banana Pi M40 system performance. So let's meet in the future video, and in the future we'll see more videos regarding Banana Pi boards. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.